Thank you for watching. Please po support my channel and please click subscribe and click the notification bell para po ma-update po kayo every time I have uploaded a video. Please support my channel. Thank you so much and God bless. See ya! Mag-work na po kami. See ya! Hi guys! Welcome to my channel. Good morning! Hello guys! Today is so nice weather here in Australia. It's so sunny but yet still cold. And that's why I'm wearing my jacket and my hoodie. Because guys, ang ganda ng panahon dito. Mainit siya. Kita nyo naman po yan. Ang init-init niya guys, pero malamig siya. Kaya naka-hoodie po ako kasi nilalamig talaga ako. Papunta po ako ngayon dito sa truck ng Snap-on kasi nandoon si partner. Nag-order siya ng mga tools na kailangan namin sa shop. At ipapakita ko po sa inyo kung gaano kaganda yung truck ng Snap-on, yung nagbebenta sila ng mga tools pang workshop, yung pang mga liyabe. Kaya po ipapakita ko po sa inyo kung gaano kaganda sa loob. Para po siyang small shop pero sasakyan po siya, truck siya, parang panel. Kaya tara po. Napakaganda ng weather ngayon guys, pero still malamig. It's still so cold even though it's sunny. Yan po ang weather dito. Pero nilalamig pa rin po. Nilalamig pa rin po ako. Ayan na guys. Ayan yung Snap-on. Snap-on. Ano siya? Parang panel siya, di ba? Sa Philippines parang panel. Panel ang tawag natin. Nagbebenta po sila ng mga tools and equipment para sa workshop. Mga liyabe. Liyabe ba yun? Oh, liyabe. Pakita ko po sa inyo sa loob. Hey guys, andito na po tayo sa may panel. Aakyat po ako guys kasi nandun po si my love ko, nandun si Mark. So papakita ko po sa inyo yung loob ng Snap-on truck. Makikita nyo po yung mga tools na nakahang sa roof, all over the place. Sa wall, sa roof, nandun po guys. Kasi syempre i-spread nila lahat kasi nagdi-deliver sila o nagpapa-order sila ng mga tools. Kaya guys, tara na, silipin po natin. Guys, andito na po ako. Aakyat na po ako sa truck. Ang sabi nga, simple steps to help stop the spread of the COVID. Ayan. Everywhere meron silang nilalagay about sa COVID guys. Ito yung pintuan niya. Tignan nyo guys, ayun yung mga tools sa ibabaw. I mean sa roof. Punong-puno yan, sahig na lang ang wala. Ayan yung mga side cutters, mga pliers, different kind of pliers. Diba? So cool. Looks like amazing. Looks like a small shop. Ayan, toolbox. Snap-on yung orange, saka yung red. Marami kaming ganyan guys sa shop.
740. Yes. Pretty sure you get good at the
Mm-hmm. Oh, they can, yeah, they can upgrade.
kasi nag-order lang po si Mark. Nag-order lang po kami ng tools. Kaya po, ayan po yung snap-on. Para po siyang maliit na bahay, guys. So cool. Looks so amazing. If you go inside the snap-on truck inside, seems like you are inside the small shop. Ang ganda-ganda, guys. Makikita nyo po panay tools. Ganito po ang buhay dito namin araw-araw. Lagi po akong surrounded ng mga tools. Lagi pong tools, guys, ang nakikita ko sa araw-araw dito. Galing na po ako sa loob. Ganda-ganda sa loob, guys. Makikita nyo lang po dito puro tools. Kasi meron kaming workshop, kaya lagi kaming nabili dito. Pagpasensyahan nyo na po dito, guys, kasi maingay. Kasi dito po sa workshop namin, dito po panay industrial place ba? Basta po panay industrial dito. Kaya lahat dito busy at maiingay po yung paligid. Guys, may binili kaming snap-on attache case. Para pong attache case. Kabibigay lang po ni Mark sa akin to, guys. Ito po ang nabili namin sa snap-on attache case. Hindi, isang big scanner. Big scanner. Ipapakita ko po sa inyo pag balik namin sa shop. Bubuksan ko po ito, guys. This is so cool for car testing scanner. And this brand is so expensive. It's dear but durable naman siya. Durable siya, guys. Mahal siya. Mahal talaga siya. Maliit na parts doon, mahal. Yung spanner na maliit lang, napakamahal. Pero very durable po siya. Ayan ang nabili namin. Pakita ko sa inyo, guys, pagpasok ko sa shop. And guys, binigyan niya ako ng snap-on hat. I'm going to make a vlog. I have a snap-on for free.
Means no one's getting paid for a month.
Ooh. Intelligent diagnostics. So it has a
This is very similar
function
with
you plug in.
Rick.
It's on the internet, searches a massive database and looks for a common issue, and lets you know how to fix it, including pinouts on the computer, which colours to touch on the. Yeah, very sexy.
Try.
8.7.
How much?
8.7.
8,700.
Yeah.
That's why I gave you a free hat. You should have got a free car.
I get a free hat.
It is in a box, so
Well, that makes it worth it.
And it's a full. It's a scope as well.
yeah, right.
So that means you won't have to run and buy a rich one.
Why so
No.
expensive, love?
Oh, darling, they are. They're really expensive. Everything like this is expensive. Really.
No, but don't.
That's like,
Yeah. But I think that's just a setting.
yeah, right.
Yeah, I had to fuck around with the settings, and I'm sure it's what I did.
I was just tidying up and I came across these brake pads and do you want me to get the van in and like
Yeah, it's got a coolant leak too, I think. Yeah.
was there something else you wanted to check? Oh, the noise, that was the brake pads, wasn't it?
No, the brake pads are low. I had a look and I had a look and
Hey guys, nakabalik na po kami. Andito na po ako sa office. And I got the free snap-on. Free pa yan. The guy gave me a free snap-on hat. So cool. They always gave me, guys, free. Last time, he gave me snap-on t-shirt. Last December, he gave me snap-on t-shirt. Every time I go there, they give me something free. Kaya pupunta ako dun palagi, guys. Kasama ako palagi kay Mark. Basta pupunta siya dun sa sasakyan. Sasama na lang ako, guys, kasi palagi ako merong free. Binibigyan nila ako ng laging free. Tinesting ko lang naman yung het niya kanina eh. Nakita niya yata guys na tinetesting ko habang nagbibideo. Sabi niya siguro, bigyan na lang natin to ng pasombrero dyan. Diba? It's my favorite color, black. I love it. So guys, nakita niyo po yung nabili namin. Scanner siya. Napakamahal. 8,500 daw yata ang bili. Kaya mahal po yung brand na yon. Pero halos ganun po guys yung mga tools namin dito sa shop ang mamahal. Kaya mamahalin ko tong sombrero din. Kasi binigay po to sa akin. It's free. And I love the color. Thank you guys. Sana nagustuhan nyo yung pag-tour ko sa inyo doon sa Snap-on truck. Kasi parang walang ganun sa Philippines. I don't think we have like that in the Philippines. Yung parang truck siya tapos shop. Truck and shop at the same time. Kaya nung first time ko rin pong isinama ni Mark sa loob nun, sabi ko, wow, napawaw talaga ako guys kasi parang napaka-wow kasi andun lahat sa roof. Nasa roof yung mga tools, tapos nasa walls. Kulang na lang ang lagyan nila guys yung floor. Pero ang ganda. Ang ganda-ganda niya talaga guys. Sa mga mahilig sa mga tools dyan, panoorin nyo na yung video ko kasi ma-amaze kayo. Tsaka, ma-amaze talaga kayo kasi nagkaroon ako ng free hat by Snap-on. Okay guys, may gagawin pa po ako. Mag-work po muna kami. Kaya, see you later. God bless.